So obviously when something comes, right, drywall homes, there's issues, so we have a crack. So we document all this on arrival so we can have the factory note it came this way, because we'll get a quick service repair on that, you know? So this is a partial drywall house because you still have the batten strips, and that means there's no texture. There is drywall, there's paint, but not texture. So all this is done at the factory. But look at the amount of light you're gonna get. Look, we don't have lights on in here, right?
Correct.
And just what's coming in, right? And that's a big difference because the one we did around the corner, I felt like we had a bowling alley, right? Because it was you know, closed in more. But what natural light? You know, you put a table there, you got a giant living room. This is your, this will be the doorway into the other 2 bedrooms.
Right.
But this is, you know, 1,620 square feet? About that?
Yeah.
Yeah. In between 1,600 and 1,700 square feet on an acre, 285. Now people say, but 285, are you sure? Yeah, because I just sold the other one in appraised for 285, okay? We work off numbers, we're not guessing, especially when I didn't even know you can come in really quick off of Lake Buffin and all the dirt road, right?
Yeah.
I'm like, oh my God, look at this, right? But what the cool thing about this is, what people never see this for the first time, the orchestrated dance, right? The trucks come up, they drop off, now they have their skid steer, they're building the dirt pad out there. And they will have half of this unit up on blocks today. It's Friday, and the crew doesn't want to spend the weekend in Lake Wales. But they live in like rural Citrus County or Marion anyway.
Yeah, Marion County is a pile here.
This thing you're sleeping bags, right? So tell us what you did when you walked in here today. You were under the sink. Show them what.
Oh,
You probably go from the other side.
yeah, we have the hub plate under here that we need for record. This is part of our one of our inspection when we get in.
Well, let's go walk around the job site. You can show them our Indian burial mound that they call Septic. Okay, so now we have the skid steer. They delivered the dirt, what, yesterday probably, the day before?
2 days ago, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so now they're creating the clay pad. And people always say you don't put it on concrete. Florida uses clay because of hurricanes, right? So when we strap this down, and they have the pins they drive into the ground, they're about waist high.
Yeah, well,
they're like little javelins, right?
Almost 6 feet, yeah.
Right, and so they're pinned in and beamed across, right? Strapped across, and multiple on the ends as well. The issue is if you were tied in and into concrete, there's no give.
Correct.
Hurricane comes. Now we're Central Florida. We'll never see what this house is rated for, 135, 140 winds. But if the wind comes and it gets under the house and there's no give, eventually those straps break. You have a little bit of give here. And people ask, what happens when the straps break? Well, when the straps break in those winds, it's Wizard of Oz, you're flying away, right?
Yeah.
And so Florida, we use a clay pad. Now, when you go to northern states, they use concrete. So now look, this was a pile of dirt. They already have it padded out. Raj, tell them about the septic.
Yeah, this septic here is about 80 by 60 on the
So it's almost
the
bigger,
size?
it's bigger than the house.
Yeah, it's bigger than the house. This is because of the drain field and the amount of the bedroom that the houses have. We have to, the size of the drain field have to expand more.
But wasn't one of the issues because this is 0.99 of an acre too, right?
Yeah.
So 0.99, size matters. If we were 1 acre, it'd be maybe a quarter smaller,
Yes, but it's gonna be a different type of unit also at that time.
less expensive.
Yeah.
Okay, but this is all the nuances of what we do, right?
Right.
Because now we look at the B map, we look at the lot, and the first thing I say, we're doing the due diligence folder, is what's my septic footprint here?
The footprint of the septic.
I don't care the price, tell me how big it is first. Because if you have a small, on an acre, it doesn't matter. But when you have 0.18 of an acre, it matters because, okay, if I have a septic this size on that lot, I don't have a house, man.
Correct, yes.
I got a shack.
Yeah.
And the only shack I like, play basketball. Thank you, brother.
Thank you.
All right, see you soon.